The U.S. Navy awarded Lockheed Martin a contract to produce 6 multi-mission MH-60R Seahawk helicopters for Norway. As per an official Pentagon press release, the contract is worth $364.3 million. Designed and built by Sikorsky, a Lockheed Martin company, MH-60R aircraft will enable Norway to perform multiple maritime missions, including search and rescue and coastal and offshore patrol. Norway's order marks the second MH-60R contract award in less than a month. On October 12, the U.S. Navy awarded Lockheed Martin a contract for 8 Spanish Navy MH-60R aircraft. A first-time operator of Seahawk helicopters, Norway is expected to receive all 6 Hargreaves 60R aircraft by 2027. The MH-60R is designed for all aspects of land and maritime operations from the vast majority of air-capable ships, said Captain William Hargreaves, Program Manager, H-60 Multi-Mission Helicopter Program Office. We are confident in Norway's selection of this unmatched, multi-mission helicopter to support their Coast Guard.